Hey guys, so if you saw yesterday's video, the first two comments that came in on that video were people wanting me to review the doll that I got from Dollar Tree. And I did want to mention that those sconcy hair bands that I showed, I love these. My hair obviously is very long, and the hair will sometimes on regular hair bands get stuck to the band, and it doesn't do that with these because it's almost like a velvety type material, and these are wonderful, and you just twist it once to get like the perfect size ponytail. So I love these. Just wanted to mention that if you see them at Dollar Tree, they're definitely worth picking up because Scunsy is a regular brand that you would normally see at, like, Walmart, Target. Okay, so I am reviewing this doll because it is only $1.25. It's from Dollar Tree. It's called Fashion and Fun Posable Doll. And the information on the back says that it is a Greenbrier product, which are products that Dollar Tree makes themselves. And I thought, when you buy these types of dolls that I have up here, I have a Rainbow High, and then I have another brand that I reviewed recently. They're like $20 or so, and I thought, I wonder what the quality is when you buy something like this for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. So we're going to find out today, and we're also going to see how the clothing is that they sell to go with these dolls, and we're also going to see if clothing from other doll lines will fit this doll. So that is what she looks like, so let's get into it. Okay, so I took her out of the box, and the first thing I want to talk about is her hair. Her hair is actually quite soft, and you almost wouldn't expect it to be. So they put a high pony in her hair, and her hair is curly. And sometimes if you dismantle the hairstyle on a doll, sometimes it ends up being okay if you want to change it, but a lot of times it looks like hell. I found that out with the Barbies that I used to buy, that a lot of times if you tried to change their hairstyle, it just looked horrible afterwards. So most of the time, I would say it is best to leave a doll with her original hairstyle, but yeah, it's actually pretty soft considering this is only $1.25. And if you look at her face, it's not the most expressive or interesting face that I've ever seen on a doll, but it's okay. However, the first negative thing that I notice about her is her knees. Look at her knees. The way that they did that to make her posable makes her knees quite unattractive. I mean, would you want to wear a dress if your knees look like that? I wouldn't. So, speaking of posable, let's see. Oh, it poses very smoothly. I'm really surprised because some of the Barbie dolls that I've had in the past, the posing aspect of it, or they call it articulation in the doll industry, was quite awkward and difficult. And this actually turns very well, which is why it's probably unattractive, because in order to give it the flexibility that they wanted, they probably had to design it that way if they wanted to keep the cost down. Now her arms only go up and down like that. She doesn't have any articulation at the elbow, and her head only goes side to side. It doesn't seem to go up and down. And then she is able to sit, so you could put her in a chair if you wanted to. So the posability is, it would have been nice if the arm had a little bit more posability. Now the outfit that she's wearing is a dress, and then it closes in the back. It's knee length. The shoes are cute, and it doesn't come with any accessories or anything like that, but you wouldn't expect it to for $1.25. But I said, you know, with knees like that, I'm going to get her a pants outfit. So this is the outfit that I bought with her. And it just says fashion doll on here. It doesn't have the same name that it does on the doll box. But this is a Greenbrier product. So I'll open this up now. Okay, so I did want to mention, it says on the bottom of the packaging for the clothing, fits most 11.5-inch dolls. So I believe that would be a Barbie. Now the clothing that I have for the Rainbow High dolls, because I do have a little bit of extra clothing for them, their body type is completely different than this doll. This doll is more like a Barbie. But if you are curious as to what she looks like without her dress, she is completely naked. Like on some dolls, they paint on some undergarments, and they don't do that on this doll. And she has stuff printed on the back of her. It says Greenbrier International. Now the shoes she has on fit extremely tight. So those are not that easy to get off. I mean, I was able to get them off, but not that easily. And so, yeah, I wanted to get her some pants to cover up those knobby knees. So I got her these purple pants, and I think this shade will look really pretty on her with her coloring. And they are very, very difficult to get on, and I don't think they're gonna close in the back. So let's see if I can do this. All right, I can just barely get them on, just barely. So they do fit very snug, and this is much more attractive, I think, on her. And then the shirt is just a plain white shirt. And I'm doing this live on camera because I just want to give you any information about, you know, the ease of access here. All right, no problems with the shirt. And that also fits very well and seems to be, you know, halfway decent in quality. But I really like the fit on those pants, and I was just barely able to close them on her. And then there are matching purple shoes. So considering how hard it was to take those other shoes off, let's see how hard it is to get these on. Oh, no problem. No problem. Oh, I think these are made out of a different material than the other ones were. That's why. Yeah, these are more of a rubbery. The other ones were more of a hard plastic. So, yeah, no problem there. And they even give her a little handbag. So, let's see. How can we attach this to her like a shoulder bag? Okay. So she is ready to go. Now, my next question that I'm wondering is, I only saved a few Barbie clothes, and I don't even know why I saved them because I did get rid of all my Barbie dolls. But the pieces that I like the best, I saved just in case someday I changed my mind. But I did get rid of most of the Barbie clothes and the Barbie dolls. So now I want to see how the Barbie clothes fit on her. So I'm going to shut the camera off and put together another outfit with Barbie clothes, and we'll see how well they fit her. Okay, so the Barbie clothes fit her great. The shoes fit perfect, the pants, the shirt, and then I put this handbag as a crossbody bag. I put it over her head and then draped it across so that it would stay on better. But yeah, the Barbie clothes fit great on her. So if you already have a Barbie doll and Barbie clothes and you buy one of these dolls, you should be able to interchange everything. I have a bunch of Barbie skirts that are really pretty that I saved, but yeah, with her knees, I don't think I will be using those. But they had lots of other interesting outfits for clothes at Dollar Tree too. They actually had quite a few of the clothes, but for whatever reason, they only had the one doll. So I don't know if there's maybe some kind of a redesign in progress, or maybe they're going to start carrying more high-end dolls in the $3 and $5 section. I don't know, but I don't think it's a coincidence that all of a sudden I couldn't find the dolls anymore in store. But I'm sure if you went to enough Dollar Trees, if you really wanted one of these, you could probably find one. But this was kind of mixed in with some miscellaneous stuff. It wasn't hanging on the shelf, but yeah, my final thoughts are that for $1.25, I think she is very nice, and this is most certainly worth $1.25. So thumbs up on this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.